How to log into Discord on your PC using QR code. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Discord account using the QR code on your PC. So, as you can see, I am on the login page of Discord on my PC. So, if you want to log in without entering your email address, your phone number or your password, there is one way on how you can do that, and that is by using QR code. So, if you are already logged into Discord on your mobile device, what you'll have to do is simply open Discord on your mobile device and then simply navigate over to your profile by tapping this option on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to scroll down and then tap on the option scan QR code. After that, allow access to the camera, and then it'll open your camera where you'll have to simply scan the QR code, and then as you can see, it is showing check your phone on the PC. So simply tap on the option yes, log me in on your mobile device, and as you can see, you have been successfully logged into your Discord account on your PC. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.